with the president of Cabinet Factory Outlet, Mr. Muhammad Abdullawi. How are you today, Mr. Muhammad?
Good.
Good. So we are standing in this beautiful kitchen that you've done for another satisfied customer.
Yes, okay.
Tell us about Cabinet Factory Outlet.
Okay, so that customers, we did her job as you see. It is wonderful. It is bought from Pioneer.
I mean, absolutely stunning.
And it is also, we did the countertop for her.
I see.
And the installation, that's mean, we can start the job from A to Z, the cabinets, the countertop installation, and anything is renovation in the kitchen.
So you all heard that. Muhammad, you guys do cabinets, sinks, doors, beautiful countertops, everything they need to renovate this kitchen, right?
Yes.
You get this beautiful and reasonable pricing, excellent service, right?
Absolutely.
Best quality. So you also do price guarantees as well, right?
This is lifetime warranty. She has lifetime warranty on her kitchen from Pioneer.
So Ms. Katra, how was your service with your cabinet installation?
Very good and excellent.
Excellent,
Yes.
you do. We absolutely love it. So you can say you were a satisfied customer.
I was satisfied to make it.
Good, it's absolutely beautiful. So Ms. Katra, what do you like most about your lovely new kitchen?
I love the cabinet. I like the white, gray, everything.
It is beautiful. But not only do you sell cabinets and doors, Muhammad, you also sell sinks. We have a nice sink
yes,
here.
we have a sinks in here. We have this style of sink.
Couple different styles, the two tubs.
So that one is over there.
Yes.
We have is double sink, single. It is different sizes.
So everything they'll need to make their kitchen look beautiful, right, Muhammad?
You can take it from A to Z if you want.
That's right. We love it.
This cabinet is made by Pioneer. Pioneer, they are since 1945.
Okay.
All of the wood, all of the cabinets, wood, solid wood, soft to close.
Soft to close.
Soft to close, solid wood.
Nice. So no loud clanking cabinets.
That is many style of the doors. That is the Pioneer. They can do, if you like this color and you like this style Pioneer, they can do it for you. Also, that is the everything is for this cabinet is made in US. All of the
Everything in the US.
even the hinges.
That's fantastic. We love that.
Everything is made in USA.
Oh, look at that one.
Yes,
And look at these colors, many colors, right?
many colors.
That we
The
can
Pioneer,
choose.
They can make over 100 colors.
Oh goodness, over 100 colors to
Over
choose
100
from.
colors,
Listen
yes,
to that.
they can
And
do
the
that.
countertops. This is wonderful, Muhammad. I love
So
this.
for the drawers, you can get this 2 drawers, 3 drawers, 4 drawers. In
Wow.
cabinets.
And I see the different sizes, right?
Also,
Yeah.
we have this is for like.
Oh, look at that. I love this. Nice and convenient for our garbage to hide that away, right? Keep your kitchen nice and...
This is what is specialties by you. They can do that.
Oh, look at that. Storage.
Yes,
Nice storage. Now that is neat. Look at that. So if you're ready to renovate your kitchen, everything from beautiful countertops and cabinets from A to Z, check out Cabinet Factory Outlet. They have everything that you need.